Okay, everyone, the fire alarm I have right here is very rare to see in buildings nowadays. This is my Simplex 4903. We hardly see these anymore. But there are still buildings with this exact same alarm that I have. Most of the Simplex fire alarms getting installed today are the Simplex True Alerts. Yep, but there are still plenty of buildings with this alarm. Simplex. Simplex is headquartered in Massachusetts. A lot of fire alarm companies are headquartered in New England, like Edwards EST is headquartered in Connecticut. Yep. Bye.